Right now, Bitcoin is breaking out, but there are a few things that currently are looking that we potentially could be having a fake out right here. So I will be discussing this exactly on today's update video as well. I will be going over the 12-hour Bollinger Bands. Look how crazy hard we are tightening right now here. I will be discussing all of this on today's update video and also much more important things. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video once again. Can we once again smash it back above 350 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards today's update video and let me kick off the video initially. Once looking at the 15-minute time frame, we can currently see that over the course of the past 3 days and 12 hours, we have been literally ranging between $162. Of course, currently it is a Monday, however, it's still the second day of Christmas, and I also want to say Merry Christmas once again to everyone out there, and that is also the reason why I am wearing this Bitcoin sweater, this Bitcoin Christmas t-shirt. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. But anyways, let's continue in this video. Still, the market is going sideways. And yes, we are seeing this downward sloping resistance line getting broken. We're seeing the upward sloping support line still providing support, like you can see right here. And right now, like I said yesterday as well, I want to wait till I see the volume is coming in. And if I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently see the volume has been dropping significantly while we were trading in this consolidation phase for Bitcoin. However, right now we confirmed the bullish breakout on the candles, but what I'm not seeing is the volume. So still, I do not think that this is a correct breakout to trade because the volume is not entering the market yet so far. I want to see the volume really spike up on a breakout to confirm a bullish breakout, and currently we have not seen it, so I could be seeing this as a fake out, and that is why I'm currently not trading this exact breakout right here. However, I am still expecting that there is going to be volatility, and probably at the end of today or at the beginning of tomorrow, because tomorrow, of course, we just have another normal trading day, and like we can currently see on the Bollinger Bands, the 12-hour time frame, we are extremely narrow because literally for the past 9.5 days, we have been going sideways like crazy. And if you go sideways for such a long period of time in the market, usually the volatility is going to be spiking up once we break outside of that range here, right? So currently we're still waiting to see what is going to be the next move for Bitcoin. But one thing is certain, in the coming week, we are expecting there's going to be another massive swing either up or down. And that will really help us with a potential next trade for Bitcoin. Of course, if you don't know already, I am still in a Bitcoin long position. This is not a regular long position, no. This is a swing trade position, and like you can see here at my hand, I'm currently 100k long on Bitcoin with a 1.6x leverage. So this is a swing trade. This is not a scalp trade. I am in this position for already quite a while, and you can see that I realized already more than $200 just to be in this position, since the funding rates have been negative for quite a while here, what means that you're getting paid to be in a long position. Right now, the funding rates are neutral, so I'm not getting paid at all. However, I'm still having this position open because I believe that over the course of the longer run, that this is going to be a profitable trade. I want to catch that exact bear market bottom, and that is why I'm trying to get a trade in right now. I am trying to, of course, along the exact bottom. If Bitcoin is going to be moving significantly lower, I will add more margin. If you are interested in trading, you can right now check out the links in the description right now here. If you sign up using any of these links, you will also get an additional deposit bonus. And you can check out also BitGet, what allows you to trade from off the US without VPN. So if you're from the US, check out BitGet in the link in the description. You can also claim an additional deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit. Then also looking at the MACD on the daily time frame, we are finally seeing that Bitcoin is crossing bullish yet again here. After we've been going sideways for the past 9 days here, we are seeing that the MACD is crossing bullish for Bitcoin, and like you can see, the last time we crossed bullish, we also had a small little relief towards the upside. And basically, historically speaking, always once you cross bullish, you tend to see a small little relief towards the upside happening, right? So this is yet again another good signal for Bitcoin that is occurring. I always pointed out once we cross bullish or cross bearish, and right now we have yet again another bullish crossover. Looking at the 3-day time frame, Bitcoin is still holding on towards that bullish crossover, and like you have seen since the 3-day time frame cross bullish, we also saw a small little relief. Will it end right now? That's going to be the question. However, usually always once Bitcoin does cross bullish, it's not meaning that we're going to go in another bull run. No, not at all. It means that you usually tend to see a small little relief towards the the upside. So that is also my anticipation for Bitcoin right now. Looking at the bigger picture on the daily time frame, we're seeing a beautiful falling wedge getting created, and I am expecting this one to break out at maximum in February 2023. So this is definitely a pattern we will be looking in towards the next year. Also looking at this chart right here, this is the weekly Bitcoin chart. Yesterday I posted this on my Twitter that Bitcoin is going to crash, but what I'm meaning with this chart here is that this is an inverted chart. So like you can see on the right side, if the price goes up here, in this case, of course the candle is red, so it basically moves down because it's inverted. And you can clearly see it, because sometimes I just want to swap the chart around to maybe look at a different perspective so you can see it in a different way, right? So you can clearly see a beautiful downward sloping resistance line, right? You just can't deny the fact that this is an important resistance line that we're currently trading against. And I personally think there is a very high probability that we could see another rejection. If we, however, break above it, it's going to be very bearish for Bitcoin. However, if we see another rejection from off this level and move down, move up, I mean actually, because it's an inverted chart, it could definitely lead towards higher targets. Also, the bottom for Bitcoin, you could have definitely seen this as a W pattern, right? So if you invert the chart, sometimes you can see beautiful patterns to be trading it, and right now we're seeing a beautiful trend line towards the downside, and I personally think there's a very high probability that we're going to get a rejection from it, and that is also the reason why I am currently longing Bitcoin with approximately 64,000 US dollars. Then also looking at the weekly time frame, we are creating a bullish divergence, guys, and a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, it doesn't play out in 1 or 2 weeks. This is going to be sticking with us for quite a while right now here. I still think there's a very high likelihood of a bigger relief rally for Bitcoin. We're creating that bullish divergence, so let's see how it's going to be playing out. And then this is maybe one of the most important charts to be looking at. If I'm going to look at the previous Bitcoin halvings, you can see that in 2012, the halving, 26 months after that halving occurred, the Bitcoin bottom was formed. Then into the next halving, we saw that 29 months after the Bitcoin halving, that was right here, the Bitcoin bottom was formed. And currently, after the previous halving, we are already 31 months in and still have not formed any bottom yet so far. So this is an interesting signal. I personally think that this is a signal that accumulation around this region is a fair price for Bitcoin. That is what I'm currently making up from of this thing here. Of course, I'm not saying Bitcoin can't go any lower anymore. No, I only think that it is extremely likely to say right now that Bitcoin is way closer towards the end stage of the bear market than the beginning stage. So it makes sense to DCA in towards this market right now. That is what I'm currently doing. That is why I'm building up swing trade positions. That is why I'm building up this legendary trade for Bitcoin, because I want to be catching that long position on the exact bear market bottom. That is the thing that I will be doing. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards the amazing new update video. Of course, it's a Christmas update, so I tried to keep it short. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your last day here with Christmas, and I truly hope you're going to have an amazing day. Boys and girls, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.